Hello, we are Eduardo Ochoa and Jorge Puente, and our topic is coal, an impossible pollutant. Well, in the introduction, we have that coal is one of the dirtiest pollutants in the planet, and it does not affect only the earth but also the humans and the living things. And burning around 8 billion tons every year, we are really affecting our planet. Coal is not dangerous, but like by itself, but it is dangerous because of the emissions and things it produces. Well, we will talk about cleaning coal, if coal should can be clean or might be clean. In the thesis statement, we established that coal should be clean because unwanted minerals and impurities will be removed. It won't produce emissions that increase global warming, acid rain, and contamination of water. So, as I said before, coal should be clean because the minerals and impurities will be removed, and those minerals and impurities are the ones that affect our planet and the humans. We also state that there are different technological processes that reduce the ecological impact. Even though clean coal technology doesn't remove or clear completely the bad consequences that air has, neither reverse the damage caused. Well, in the clean coal technology, we have a supporting pro, which is that by washing coal technology, the unwanted minerals and impurities will be removed. And that I think that is a good argument for us because, as I said before, the minerals and impurities will be removed, and that will cause that coal can be used in different ways, and it won't affect the earth by itself. And now we have an image which shows how coal is washed. First, we saw the raw coal entering to a certain tube, which inside rotates, and that makes that the impurities sink in fluid and get separated. And finally, we have the wash coal and the impurities separated. So the wash coal, we could use it in different activities without having trouble or thinking if we may damage the earth. We have another pro which states that if coal does not get clean, it will continue to produce emissions that contribute to global warming, acid rain, and contamination of water. And well, global warming is have been a an really varied topic in nowadays, and we could stop producing it if we wash the coal. Well, now we have an image which shows like a certain river with the coal that is not washed, and it seems like really contaminated.
We have another pro, using the use of combined hybrid cycle and fluid bed combustion plants are just some examples of cleaning technologies which improve the performance of the combustion of coal and reduce the ecological impact in our planet. These illustrations shows how the examples work, cleaning the coal up and how all the processes that are going on. Our main con idea is an environmental impact. Burning coal might produce useful products, but it can also emit harmful wastes like carbon dioxide, sulfuric acid, arsenic, ash, nitrogen oxide, and sulfur oxide. These emissions of carbon dioxide from burning coal also accounts for the additional 65% of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, increasing the greenhouse gases. And this is an illustration of how people work in coal refineries. Here's another example of how coal is used and the processes that it takes to give electricity to a home. By a combustion chamber, a boiler, a steam, turbine shaft, condensed steam, a generator, a transformer, and then how it goes to our houses. But all these processes have a secondary effects. Like in this image, we will show how contamination is going on clean water, converting into dirty water. This image shows the death by coal mining, which meaning is the process of obtaining minerals in different ways that impact the earth in different ways that form naturally in the earth. Humans modify the environment by making coal mines is causing unexpected effects. A lot of them are detrimental. How coal-fired power plants make you sick. Coal-fired power plants expose people to toxic particles, ozone, and heavy metals. The most serious health impacts are due to microscopic particles formed from emissions of sulfur and nitrogen oxide dust and soot. These particles penetrate deep into the lungs and into the bloodstream, causing deaths and numerous health problems. As our conclusion, we agree that we can find alternatives and better ways of the use of coal and use it less with clean coal technology. There are different processes of technologies that are invented with the objective of reducing CO2 production. They have worked really good until now, and they have helped the air pollution and contamination in a really considerable way. Summarizing this, we think we coal really could be clean, and it is the best option we can take in the present. Thank you.